Hello everyone. Today I will explain whether and how you can connect a PlayStation Portal to your TV. The short answer is that you cannot directly hook the Portal to a TV like a console. The Portal is a remote play handheld device. It streams games from your PS5 or from the cloud. It does not output video over HDMI like a traditional gaming console. First, make sure your PS5 is set up correctly. On your PS5, go to Settings, then System, then Remote Play, and turn on Enable Remote Play. Also, if you use rest mode, go into the power saving settings and enable Stay Connected to the Internet and enable turning on PS5 from network. These options allow the Portal to connect properly. Now, on your PlayStation Portal, sign in with the same PlayStation Network account that you use on your PS5. After that, choose Remote Play from its home screen. Tap or press the cross button, and it will try to connect to your PS5 over the network. Once connected, what you see on the Portal is a mirror of your PS5. However, when you play through the Portal, the TV does not show the game. The Portal handles all the video and audio on its own screen. If your goal is to play PS5 games on the TV, you still need a PS5 connected to your TV with HDMI. The Portal is simply another way to access your PS5 games. It is not a replacement for using your PS5 directly on the TV. Thank you for watching.